Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, bed liner, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, heated steering wheel, compass, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.